Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly fix your laptop that's not booting up. This is an HP laptop, but this method will work for several other laptops. So the first thing you want to do is to remove everything, including your charger. If you have any USB connector, remove any cable extension adapters completely. Then you want to press your power button, and importantly, press and hold for about 20 seconds. So I'm pressing and I'm holding it. So we've been to about 10 seconds. Okay, then you're going to release it. Then you're going to grab your AC adapter and you're going to plug it back in. Keep everything out for now. Then you're going to press your power button as you would normally do. And hopefully you should get it booting this time. Press and release. And already I think I heard something like it's coming up. Yeah, and there you go. Hopefully this method worked for you. Now, there are some laptop with a reset pin. If that is yours, then you need to get a reset hole. If that is yours, then you'll need to get something to press into that hole and hold it down for about, that one you hold down for more than 30 seconds. But you would also remove your AC adapter, everything. If you would like more videos on how to troubleshoot your laptop that is not booting, check the next video coming up. Until next time, have yourself a great day. Bye now.